My research project is developing a creative writing workshop curriculum tailored towards cancer patients, then implementing actual workshops. An experience that inspired me to do this project was that in 10th grade, my father was diagnosed with lung cancer. So I witnessed firsthand the suffering of cancer patients. I saw the potential to implement the writing workshop in a medical setting, because I think there are several aspects of the workshop approach that can greatly impact patient care and the experience of illness. For example, turning to literature as a way to better understand the human condition. The sense of community that's fostered through the collective discussion of literature. The therapeutic benefits of expressive writing, and the sense of empowerment that comes with telling one's story on one's own terms. Writing workshops relate to my pre-med studies because writing workshops will teach me about how to communicate effectively and empathetically with patients. These are skills that will enable me to become a better, a more empathetic, and perhaps a wiser physician someday, because communication is really key for a physician. Narrative medicine is a burgeoning field, and it's my dream to become one of the pioneers of integrating creative writing workshops with clinical oncology. I hope that in the future, patient care consists not only of immunotherapy and chemotherapy, but also creative writing as therapy.